Morning dew, hot day ahead. Southbound, eastbound, and bound to make it work. 2 stops in one day, 50 stops on a 2-hour run. Traffic's tight. Route plan too. Tick-tock, tick-tock. A truck stop meet with a transit friend. Nothing is left to chance. Tuned to get more for less because every stretch counts. It all adds up. A quick glance on the grid. Peak hour, every hour. Business never sleeps. Heavy loads and fragile goods. In time, on time, every time. It's a rush. Good coffee, bad coffee. When cruising in the lead, with the competition in the slipstream, you feel in control. There's a reaction to every action. Tough hills, rough roads, traffic jams, and night runs. I know it's hard work, but everyone has their place. And this is where I belong. Feeling is believing in myself and the road ahead.